Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, December 26th. I hope you had warm and safe holidays with the power staying on. I know we had a lot of intermittent power outages in our area, but we did not get any of the white stuff. So our hearts and thoughts go out to all of you who have had very white Christmases. Today we are talking about a lot of different things. We have a lot of our staff members are out this week. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was the block of the month here. This is the Indigo Splash block of the month. This starts in January, which is next week, you guys. It's a 7-month program, and it includes all the fabrics for the quilt top and the binding, plus the monthly patterns. So you pick up all your fabric in January, or we'll ship you all your fabric in January, and then the patterns come once a month. This is a generous queen size quilt. It finishes at 95.5 inches square. So it's beautiful. Nobody doesn't like blue and white. So if you're interested in learning more about the Indigo Splash block of the month, you can find the details right there if you're watching on YouTube, or in the description if you're watching on Facebook. Okay, next up, this week we have the inventory team is out all week, and the long arm team is out all week. So I thought it would be fun to do some trivia, do some giveaways, because we aren't going to have a lot of new things to share. And also a lot of our suppliers didn't ship new things last week because it was Christmas week. So I came up with some numbers to share with you, which I think are really, really fun. So can you guess what this number is? 1,085. This is the number of long arm quilting orders we took in at the shop in 2022. Our long arm quilting team is fabulous, and they have worked so hard this year. And so they are taking a week off. The machines are taking a week off. And actually the tablets that are on the machines that run the patterns are in Ohio having spa time. So 1,085. Great job, quilters. Next number for you. 2,825. Can anybody guess what that might be in terms of the shop? That is the number of new fabrics we got into the store in 2022, which equals 42,375 yards of new fabrics. Now, this does not include reorderables like solids and blenders and things that we get over and over, or interfacings or anything like that. This is all brand new printed fabrics that we got into the shop this year. So thank you so much for supporting us and allowing us to continue buying awesome things for you. And good job to the inventory team, because each one of these goes in manually. It takes at least a minute to 5 minutes per bolt. So that's a lot of inventory time. And then this number, which I think is really fun, this is how many spools of thread were bought from this shop in 2022. And if you measure that out, that's enough spools of thread tied end to end to take you all the way to Tucson, Arizona from Cary, North Carolina. So 2,624 spools of thread. We so appreciate all your support in every way that you can do it. I have a couple things to share with you. We have the cute and cuddly pattern. So adorable. This is all applique. It makes a 48 by 56 inch quilt. And I think it would be super fun to pick the colors for all of your animals in this one. And I like that border too. It's very interesting. The next pattern we have is called Will E Melt, which might be perfect for this time of year. And Will E Melt comes with the buttons and things that you need to embellish your little snowman. And I believe we have one of these in the store also, which I didn't grab and I should have, sorry. But this one finishes at, it doesn't say what it finishes at. It's about this big. And then finally, we have one more Kona calendar for 2023. We obviously would like to sell this to you before 23, but the fun thing about this calendar is you get patterns every month. So beautiful quilt patterns every month as a part of the calendar. And the thing I like, I have one of these hanging in my office, is every day has a different Kona solid color and color name on it. So I think it's fun to say, oh, today is Prairie Sky, or oh, today is Allegria. So that's what we have for that. And then I also wanted to make this week really fun, because you're not getting to see new fabric. We're going to let you win fabric. It is video trivia week. So every day I'm going to be asking you a question. You can answer the question in the comments, whether you're watching on YouTube or Facebook. And from all of the correct answers, I will draw a winner. We will probably announce the winners next week just to keep you guessing. But today's winner is going to win this awesome Free Spirit Neutrals Fat Quarter, or Neutrals strip set. So this is a bunch of 2.5-inch strips, all in neutrals, all by a lot of the different Free Spirit designers. This is a $52 value. So if you win this, you've won $52 worth of fabric. So today's question is, what do I say makes the best binding? What do I say makes great binding? If you've watched our videos, you know, because I say it way too many times. So answer in the comments. If you aren't sure, you can always look back at previous videos and figure out what I say makes great binding. I hope you have a great afternoon. We're going to be doing these giveaways all week, so be sure to keep watching. Stay warm. It's a little chilly in the shop today, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.